Well, welcome back to Chinaron. Today I'm going to show you how to make these little tiny shirts. I got a comment a while back on how I made these. It's no different than how I made these hats and the shirts that I'm wearing. All you need to do is you need to go find these shirts. And I have bought in two types. One of them has a Velcro in the back like this, and this is really designed for a bit bigger of a little stuffed animal. And this one here does not have the Velcro, and it's a little bit more stretchier. I'll put a link to them down below. This is something I wanted to try. It was a little cheaper. I think I got like a bag of these, of like 20 of them for 20 bucks or something like that. But they're not bad, but they're more designed for bigger stuffed animals than these ones. And the other thing about these ones here, they just seem that the neck seems to be a little tighter on those. So I'm going to show you real quickly on how I made those. So just like with the shirts, you got to find out where you want to put them. Have yourself a piece of plywood. I've got a nice little piece of plywood here that's set up just for these little shirts. So all you're going to do is you're going to put that in the shirt. And where I got my labels for my cups, they also sell the vinyl that you're going to need to put on the shirt itself. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut one of those out, just like this. And you can buy these already weeded. And what I mean by that is you don't have to do what I'm going to do right now. So we have to take and split this. So we got to take and separate the plastic from the backing. And it's a little tough. It's a little tough to do. But you got to have a little patience. All right, so you're going to separate that. I'm going to start with that one. Just peel it off real easy. All right, and now you're going to take the next piece. Depending on what you have for a sign, picture, words, or whatever. I've noticed on this one, the L's sometimes will peel off if I'm not real careful. There we go. That one came off good. All right, now you're going to end up with this, but if you look, you'll see that I still have to dig out the A and the E, the R and the O. So let's go ahead and dig those out. And these little picks here are a necessity. These can be tough. And then the O. I'm sorry, the R. And this is what you should end up with. Now take your shirt, take your plywood, whatever you have, a piece of cardboard or whatever you have kicking around. I like the plywood because it's nice and stiff and it doesn't bend. And then find the center where you want to put that, lay that down. And you're going to need a piece of parchment paper or this material here. It's kind of like a nylon that comes with a lot of the stuff that I buy. When I buy these imprints, it generally will come along with that. Lay that over there. And I'm using a handheld iron. All right. These work really well. And you're just going to push down on that. Oh, for about maybe 30 seconds. Just kind of work that in there a little bit. Push real hard. You can do this with a press too. I could do this with my shirt press just as easy, but for me this is a little quicker. I'm going to push that down a little bit. Yeah. Like I say, about 30 seconds. And just go ahead and peel that plastic off there. Get that in the camera here. And there it is. Yeah, come out really good. Now, with this one here, like I said, it's Velcro. So when you peel that off, undo the Velcro, and I'll put it on this little bear here first so you can see on the smaller bears how it acts. So if I put it on this little bear here, you'll see that it probably would work better on a bigger bear. But it's not bad. And then you can Velcro in it behind, or you can pin it so you can tighten it up. And that's not too bad. That's not too bad. But if we take this and put it on a bigger bear, something like this, let's see what that looks like. This is great for advertisement. You know, if you want to do some giveaways or something like that, these are great. I Velcro that on the back. That actually works pretty good on the larger bear. Yeah, that actually looks a little bit better on the larger bear. So not too bad. Not too bad on the larger bear. And let's see, one thing I have not tried it, one animal I haven't tried it on is Kermit the Frog. Let's see what it looks like on Kermit the Frog. Old Kermit the Frog. All right, let's see what it looks like on him. He probably would look pretty spiffy wearing a Channel Ron shirt. Go ahead and Velcro that. Back like that. Oh yeah. Yeah, he actually looks pretty good with the Channel Ron shirt. Yep, not bad at all. I like that. So you can see that these actually work better on the larger stuffed animals. But these ones here will work, but probably be a little bit too tight, the ones that do not have the Velcro. So there it is. So again, this is just kind of answers the question about how I had done that. It works the same way as I do on my shirts and my hats, and I picked them right up off from Amazon. So, well, thanks an awful lot for watching, and we'll see you next time.